Why do Americans say Monday through Friday, while British speakers say Monday to Friday? Does through mean something different from to? Can you use through with clock times like 9 through 5? In this chapter, we'll master through, an American time expression that means from start to end. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've learned formal literary expressions, and now we explore additional useful time prepositions. Today we'll learn through, which is primarily used in American English to express complete time spans from beginning to end. Through means from the beginning to the end of a time period, covering the entire span. Think of it as going all the way through something without stopping. Monday through Friday means starting Monday and continuing all the way to Friday, with every day included. For example, the store is open Monday through Saturday. This means every day from Monday to Saturday, all 6 days included. You begin on Monday and continue through the entire period until Saturday ends. Here's the key regional difference. American English strongly prefers Monday through Friday. British English strongly prefers Monday to Friday. Both mean exactly the same thing, the entire span from start to end. Through is also common in American event schedules. Summer camp runs June through August. The festival is May 1st through May 7th. The school year is September through June. A common mistake is saying from Monday through Friday. This is redundant because through already shows the range. Just say Monday through Friday or say from Monday to Friday. Do not mix from with through. Here's a simple memory trick. Think of driving through a tunnel. You enter and continue until you exit. You go completely through it from start to finish. That's exactly how through works with time spans. Now, let's look at some examples. School is in session Monday through Friday. This is the standard American way to describe the school week. The sale runs June 1st through July 31st. This covers the entire summer promotion period. Walk-in appointments are available Tuesday through Thursday. Patients can visit on all 3 of those days. Construction will take place April through September. This means 6 full months of building work. The dorm lease runs August through May. This covers the entire academic year. The New Year discount applies January through March. That means the promotion lasts for 3 full months. Breakfast is served Monday through Friday. Weekend menus are different. Extended hours are offered June through August. These special hours apply during the entire summer season. Shipping is available Tuesday through Saturday. Deliveries happen on all 5 of those days. Public hours are Wednesday through Friday. Citizens can visit during those 3 days each week. Let's recap the key ideas. First, through is mainly used in American English, while British speakers usually say to. Second, through describes a complete span from beginning to end. Third, it works best with days, dates, and months. So, remember the comparison. Americans say Monday through Friday. British speakers say Monday to Friday. Both expressions mean exactly the same thing. Also remember when not to use through. Don't say 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. Instead say 9 to 5. Don't say 2020 through now. Instead say since 2020. Through is mainly used for full ranges of days or dates. Excellent work. You now understand through, the American way to describe a complete time span from start to finish. In the next chapter, we'll learn around, which describes approximate time when you don't need to be exact. Keep practicing and continue mastering English.